Welcome back. Today we're exploring a powerful feature in the Unity AAC app called Vocabulary Builder. Vocabulary Builder helps AAC users focus on a smaller set of words, making it easier to learn new vocabulary or target specific words during activities. Let's walk through how to set it up. From your vocabulary screen, choose the menu button in the top right corner. Select Vocab Builder. Use the toggle to turn it on. In the text area, type a word you want to include. When it appears in the list, select it to add it. For this example, we've added fast, go, help, me, more, slow, stop, and you. If you're planning to create multiple lists for different activities or communicators, you can select Save, give your list a name, and it'll be ready to use again later. If you're just creating a single list for now, you can skip the save step. Simply choose Done in the top right corner, and your list will be saved automatically. Now, take a look. Only the words you selected are visible. Everything else is hidden, so your communicator can focus on just those words.
Fast, slow,
Want to go back to the full vocabulary? Just return to Vocab Builder and turn it off. Your custom list will still be there, ready for next time. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more AAC tips and tricks. See you next time!